In this step-by-step video tutorial, we will explain how to replace the thermal paste on your NV41 Series laptop. What do you need? Here is a list of all the materials. Metal cleaner spray, a small tray to put your screws in. Some baby wipes to clean the thermal paste, a screwdriver, a spatula, and finally a cloth. The first step is to remove the screws. Be sure to put something soft under the laptop to prevent scratches. Now you can carefully remove the bottom case. When you have removed the bottom case, it is time to unscrew the heatsink part. Once all 4 screws are out, you can remove the heatsink. Do this very carefully. If the copper part bends, it is not usable anymore. It is important that you remove the old thermal paste. To do this, use baby wipes first. Clean both the CPU and heatsink. When most of it is off, grab the metal cleaner. Spray the metal cleaner on the cloth and clean the CPU and heatsink completely. Now it's time to apply the thermal paste. Put a little thermal paste on the spatula and gently wipe it out on the CPU. Put the heatsink back in place. It is important to pay close attention. The plastic flap must go well under the fan. Otherwise, you will get a ticking sound. Now you can put the screws back in place. Now that we've applied the new thermal paste, it's time to put the bottom case back in place. This was the final step. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe.